Morning, YouTubers, do-it-yourselfers, and to the couple new subscribers I've seen on here, thank you very much. It's not about the money, it's about the ability to share knowledge, get information out there, and the more subscribers, the more these videos are seen. But here's a quick little deal for you this morning, because I just ran into this issue with another vehicle, and it's something so simple and so commonly mistaken and done. But you see these little green deals right up here on top of the scan tool. These are IM monitors. Okay. Now, when you take your vehicle to an auto parts store and have them clear your check engine light, these will all go red. Some of them have a self-reset, self-redo after idling or driving, but some of them have specific procedures. So let's give you an example here. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I don't have a different camera to record, so I'm recording on the phone as I'm trying to talk. But we're going to go down here to drive cycle procedures. Okay. And we're just going to click yes for reference here. Okay, so these complete monitors, these are complete on this vehicle because I've done them myself. But all these things here have a monitor that has to complete, check, and test, or they will trigger a check engine light. You know, you go to a parts store, anytime they pull an evap code, they're going to say, it's your gas cap. No, it may not be. It may be a simple fact that the darn thing's not finished with its monitoring. 90% of the time, it's not a gas cap. And a lot of the times, it's from, if you pump your fuel while your vehicle's running, you're going to get an evap code. All right? So don't ever do that, ever. But here, let's give you an example here. Catalyst monitor. You know, it says to perform a complete system set procedure if any monitors are not ready. Once the engine light is started, or once the engine is started, do not turn the engine off. Here's your precondition though. Ignition voltage can range from 10 volts to 15 volts, barometric pressure. It just gives you everything you need to know, but you have to meet these specific lined out guidelines to complete the monitor. Like engine coolant temperature has to be a certain range. Air temperature has to be a certain range. And a lot of these things is just normal driving, okay? You'll sit and idle up and all that. But I've had some vehicles that literally, it's a Ford. It was a Ford F-150. It was to drive with gradual increase of speed up to 60 miles an hour, maintain 60 miles an hour for 10, idle for 5 minutes. Increase speed to 70 miles an hour, maintain 70 miles an hour, idle for 10. Another vehicle, it was just crank it up, let it idle, then drive it. No problem. But the problem is when these things don't complete, them IM monitors at the top stay red, and it just causes problems. And I do that by going right here. And in these things, I can test certain systems. And like this one here, it's still got 2 reds. But I know what those issues are on this one. So, this is just a video to help you understand that. You can't always go by what the parts store tells you. There's some knowledgeable people there, don't get me wrong. But never let them reset your check engine light unless you know for a fact that's an issue. And if they're going to reset the check engine light, know your monitor procedures. Now, there's going to be another video on scan tools and how useful these things are and how we use them to diagnose. Closed loop on the fuel status. You never want an open loop. Calculated load. I mean, I use all this stuff in diagnostics. If you'll notice the fuel trim here, I'm going to do a complete video on that. But this is an almost perfect fuel trim, okay? And like I said, there's another video coming on that. But these readings here can be completely whack if your monitors aren't complete. So overall, don't let a parts store reset your check engine light. They can scan your codes. Scanning your codes does not reset it. But if they're going to reset it, know your IM monitor procedures because it will save you money down the road when something's telling you something's wrong and there's really not. It's just an incomplete monitor. I do hope this helps somebody. And if you have any questions on scan tools or shortcuts on them that you may not know, feel free to comment. And again, if you did like this video, please like, share, and anyone who's watching it and it helped you out, please, subscribe. This is meant to be an information channel. It's not just automotive, it's electrical, it's construction, just handyman things. But primarily I do mechanic, I am an electrician, so just feel free to ask questions. I enjoy making them. I enjoy being able to share information. God blessed me with a good mind, a sharp mind and a quick mind. I've learned a lot over the years, and I do like sharing information, so don't hesitate. Thank y'all, and God bless.